The deep depression over west central and adjoining South Bay of Bengal moved northwestwards with a speed of 30 km per hour during past few hours and lay centered at about 480 km south-southeast of Vishakhapatnam, 600 km south-southeast of Gopalpur, Orissa and 700 km south-southwest of Paradip, Orissa. It is likely to move northwestwards and intensify into a cyclonic storm in the next few hours. It is likely to reach the west central Bay of Bengal off North Andhra Pradesh, South Orissa coasts by Saturday, 4th of December morning. Thereafter, it is likely to recurve northeastwards and move along the Orissa coast during the subsequent 24 hours with a maximum sustained wind speed of 80 to 90 km per hour, gusting to 100 km per hour. High wave ocean state warning alert for Andhra Pradesh, Orissa, Andaman and Nicobar has been sounded by a joint bulletin of the Indian Meteorological Department and the Indian National Center for Ocean Information Systems on Friday noon. High waves in the range of 2.5 to 4.3 meters are forecasted along the east coast of Andhra Pradesh and Orissa, with surface current speeds varying between 75 to 200 centimeter per second, squally wind speed reaching 55 to 65 km per hour, gusting to 100 km per hour are likely, even as light to moderate rainfall to heavy rainfall has been forecasted at isolated places over north coastal Andhra Pradesh and south coastal Orissa. Light to moderate rainfall has also been forecasted at many places, with heavy to very heavy rainfall at isolated places over Gangetic, West Bengal and North Orissa, and heavy rainfall at isolated places over Assam and Meghalaya, Mizoram and Tripura. Fishermen have been advised not to venture into west central and adjoining southeast and east central Bay of Bengal. The cyclone impact is expected on these areas: Srikakulam, Vizianagaram and Vishakhapatnam districts of north coastal Andhra Pradesh, Gajapati, Ganjam, Puri, Nayagar, Khurda, Cuttack, Jagat Singhpur and Kendrapara districts of Orissa, the bulletin added. That is, the depression over Bay of Bengal is likely to turn into a cyclone soon. Bureau Report, Halabol.